I'm going to talk about a Japanese enterprise called Toshiba, which is an enterprise that manufactures electronics and equipment. Okay, and I'm going to talk about the laptop. The model is a Tecra C40 C1400ED. Okay, and I'm going to try to not give a very specific information because this information is very technical. So I'm going to talk about physical information or description. Okay. First, the size. The screen size is more or less like 14 inches, and it has a weight of, I got it, 3.97 pounds. That is more or less like 2 kilograms. And it has a Intel Celeron processor. Okay. The first thing that I will change is the weight. I think that the weight is one of the main characteristics that we need to check before do a purchase. Because make a purchase. So this is the first thing that I will change because it's more comfortable for the person to bring a laptop that has a lift of 1 kilograms, I don't know. And the second thing that I will change is the processor. It has a processor very low. I will change it for a i5 processor. And the size, I think that is good. Not too big, but not too small.